StreamYard, I believe, is a wonderful tool for broadcasting and recording people that are in remote locations. And no, I'm not being paid to say any of this. But when you're doing a recording and you're trying to get local recordings, right, the high quality version that you're going to use to edit and put out, whether just on YouTube or as podcasts, whatever, one issue that I see people run into without knowing why they're running into it is that their local recording never ends up uploading, right? And they're like, well, what happened? Why is this so? Well, it's literally a matter of disk storage. People have far too little disk storage on their local hard drive for it to be able to record locally, because that's what it's doing, right? It kind of creates this recording on your own computer, and eventually it uploads it onto the StreamYard platform, right? That's how it works. That's why they call it a local recording. Now, generally, it keeps a pretty good compressed file. An hour or so is about, let's say 3 to 4 gigs, give or take. So it doesn't ultimately take a lot. But I've seen multiple people run into this issue, and they're like, why is my, recording going slow in terms of its upload? Or why didn't it ever finish uploading even though I left the tab open and things of that nature? It's simply because they're running out of disk space. Now, when you run out of disk space, it will not be able to upload. And you can get rid of stuff after the fact, but unfortunately, because it didn't have enough space to save those things, it's not going to upload, right? If you're running low on disk space, then it'll go a little bit slower and things of that nature, but it can, and in fact will, eventually upload. However, I would encourage you to have just available disk space. By the way, just in general, your computer, whether laptop or otherwise, should never be where it's like you have 10 gigs left. Like that's a recipe for disaster, trust me. So that's a whole separate episode and conversation about organizing your digital life so that way you avoid that. But as far as StreamYard is concerned, obviously you want to make sure you're not running into this problem after the fact, right? So do some due diligence. If you do have recording ahead of time, make sure you have enough disk storage. Now, you might have this, but guests or people that you invite onto a recording, you're kind of left at their mercy, so to speak. But it can be nice to kind of forewarn them, like, hey, make sure, just kind of like all things, make sure you have a good mic, good lighting. Oh, and by the way, make sure you have good, enough storage, blah, 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 right? Just all these things can help. So that way the recording is as good as it can be, that there's no issues, and yada, yada. So I know it's a long-winded way of saying that, like, hey, just have enough disk storage, but I wanted to give it context and give you, finer tools to be able to avoid it in the future. So I hope you appreciate that. Thank you as always, and I'll see you next time. If you found something useful, consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing with friends, and you can explore my films, books, and writing at philsvitek.com. And if you want deeper access, direct interaction, and ways to support my creative work, I have a Patreon page. Everything's linked in the description. However you engage, thanks for being a part of it.